Okay, I have a question, and I'm using my account from Facebook to do my personal account. I am the guy that does legal reform. And so I just want to ask a question. I have a question about winning and losing at the same time at the end of this post. Not a rant, I repeat, not a rant. I feel blessed, to be honest, but there's things I've done, but even when I won, I always felt like a loser. Okay, so I'm going to tell you what I'm going through as of today. 3/10/25. It's been a very long time since my vision has been clear. I was suffering from some adverse effects from black mold. It's gone for the most part, but no idea what's in the walls. I haven't had a headache or felt nauseous today, and it's been years. Got to get out of here and feeling well enough to spend a lot of time on the internet finding a place for a handicapped senior on SSDI. So yeah, that tells you I don't have a lot of money, but still what little I have, I like to help people, like doing this, or legal reform. Spent a lot of time on the internet finding a place for a handicapped senior on SSDI. Okay. Felt lonely, lacking the ability to see correctly. Because of what I was going through, my vision was really bad. I couldn't see too good. I felt blessed when they put that dark screen on the internet, because it was really hard to read anything because of the bright lights. It made my eyes hurt. Migraines would kick in. I'm throwing up, and it's just really bad. Okay, the migraines make my eyes hurt, so effects from the black mold made things 100% worse. Got a dehumidifier running 24/7 until my departure. Feeling better by the grace of the Almighty. Promises not yet fulfilled, I'm guessing. LOL, I ain't done with you, kid. Get back in the game. I can actually breathe normally. Today was becoming a bit of a struggle. Let's see how many hours a day I can surf the internet for answers. It took me 10 years to get my SSDI and had to sue before they capitulated. I was literally exposing a conspiracy against rights under the color of law, and I decided to keep it off the record. So they capitulated. Okay. Did I actually win? Okay, I got 10 years back pay, and I got my red, white, and blue card, and shortly after, I got 4 operations I needed seriously. They were very, very painful. Both knees torn, meniscus torn, both wrists, carpal tunnels. I couldn't even sign my name, but I could use the wheelchair now. And now that I found out about this black mold thing, doing my best to cure it and then to get out of here, I'm feeling a lot better. So I'll be able to get back to, hopefully. Since I got here, things have been going downhill. Even though I got the 4 operations, it was just my health, and it turns out it was just the black mold. And things are turning around now, so the sooner I get out of here, the better. So I put, okay. It took me 10 years to get my SSDI, and had to sue before they capitulated. I was literally exposing a conspiracy against rights under the color of law, so they decided to keep it off record. Did I actually win? Google conspiracy against rights under the color of law before you answer. Okay, all I'm asking you is a question. Did I actually win? Okay, I was literally exposing conspiracy against rights under the color of law, and they decided to keep it off record, so they gave me my 10 years back pay. I didn't even have to go back in the courtroom. I brought it up to my lawyer. He ran and told the judge, and it was over. Okay, okay, did I actually win? Google conspiracy against rights under the color of law before you answer. I'll hold you to the letter of law on that, as you should I. everything you say can be used against you in a court of law, yada, yada, yada. I'm pretty sure you know that's your Miranda rights. But see, that's not just yours, that's theirs too, your public servants. But either way, did I win or did I lose? Okay? Simple question. Did I actually win? Did I actually win? Can I get a little help on that? This is, we'll call this a TikTok challenge because this is where I'm going to post it as a TikTok challenge. Hopefully people will just Google two things: conspiracy against rights under the color of law and the letter of the law. Oh yeah, I did mention Miranda rights, so in case you're not familiar with that. But I just know quite a few things, and sometimes it takes a while to get the win. 10 years. But simply because it was a conspiracy against rights under the color of law. So did I win? Just trying to get you. I can't educate you. You have to educate yourself. Knowledge is not just a given. It's something you have to take. All right. If you want to expose corrupt lawyers and judges like so many people say they will, I post about a lot of laws that people aren't doing. Things aren't happening. Things that are supposed to happen aren't being done. Things that aren't supposed to happen are being done, which clearly is a conspiracy against rights under the color of law. And I expose a lot of these laws and all these violations, where to take your violations to, where to file, who to speak with, and it's basically every public servant there is, okay? I not only give you resolution, but see, that's something you have to do yourself, to take the resolution. I can't do. There's so many of you. I forgot what the population is of the United States, 360 million. But people, I'm a poor guy, so I can't afford the boost. So maybe if you can share, or even do your own videos, just look it up. I mean, a lot of issues I talk about. Grab one of them and focus on it and do the research on that, okay? And I'll give you the laws to help you enforce what you're trying to do. Okay, on my page, Legal Reform, the only thing you spend there is time, okay? I don't ask for or accept donations. I'm going to tell you publicly what I tell people privately. If you feel the need to donate, people have offered donations. They said, because I'm a very kind person for what I do. But there are those in far more need than I. St. Jude's, Kiwanis, PVA, DAV, Wounded Warriors. Nothing but peace and love. Thank you.